Welcome back to Virtual Reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. This is a short video about another VR accessory for the Oculus Quest 2. This is the Headstrap from 3XS. You can buy it on Amazon and it has a cool features here for placing it on your head. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Open Events, Peter Wasmer, Virtual Escape, Slim Beats and VR Cover. You can find all the links to my sponsors and their products in the description below. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, let's check out how this can be attached. So this is how you get it. Yeah, with this strap here. And what you're gonna do, whatever strap you have on the Quest 2, of course remove it, the Elite strap with battery, the original strap, remove it like here, and then of course remove the face cover here. Then this has some slides here with some, I would say, rubber material. So just put it here and the other side as well, here, and push it to the end until it reaches the head strap, like this. Here, okay, and that's pretty. So now put the head strap, through the original hole here, like this. Can do this as first step, but for me it was better to do it the second step. And now of course place the original head face cover now, and here you go. That's it. Very quick, right? And now you can use the wheel here, then push this up, put that on your head, then put that down, and if you think you need more space here, then just use the strap, like, let's say like this, put that down, tighten, and you're good to go. Wow. And I have to say, I didn't expect that. This thing is so light, it feels very light, and it also feels very comfortable. I think I could play hours with that. I mean, of course, the Quest 2 is not the lightest headset, it's still a standalone headset, but the weight is very good spread over your head. And as you can see here on the back, there is this pad, and on my forehead here is also a good strap. And of course, if you want to get rid of it, wheel up and away from your face. You can change the position here and here. See that? And also, all the pads here are removable, like here or like here. So if you want to place something else there, it's very easy to attach, it's very easy to handle, and it's comfortable. For me, this is great. This is really great. So yeah, that's it, and you can buy it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description below, because it's on Amazon. Yeah, you can just buy it there, and it depends on the country. In Germany it's $47, in UK it's £35, and in US I still don't have the link, but I will get it soon, and then I will put it in the description below, because they are shipping that there. So be a little bit patient. I think it will be around $50 as well. I mean, this is a price that yeah, it's not so cheap. But to be honest, this feels light and it feels good. It's from the company 3XS, and I will recommend it. It's good. It's nice to play with it. So guys, I hope you liked the video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE.